In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Odoo. We'll walk through the process of updating the fonts for your headings and paragraphs on your Odoo website, using only the built-in tools. This is a great way to quickly improve the look and feel of your site without touching any code. First, start by going to the homepage of your Odoo website. Make sure you're logged in with the correct access rights so you can edit the site. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the text on your page, especially the headings and paragraphs. Identify which parts you want to change, because in this tutorial we'll focus on both the heading fonts and the regular paragraph text. Next, look for the Edit button on the page. It's usually at the top right of the screen. Click on Edit to enter website editing mode. When you're in editing mode, your page will highlight different sections and you'll see more options appear along the side or at the top. From there, find and click on the theme option. This is where Odoo lets you control global styles for your website, including colors and fonts. Using the theme panel is important because changes here will apply consistently across your site instead of having to change each block one by one. Inside the theme settings, look for the section that controls font styles. Start with the heading fonts. Click on the heading option first so you can change the font used for titles and section headings. You should see a drop-down menu that lists different font choices. Click on that drop-down to reveal more font options. Now, scroll through the list and select a font you like for your headings. As you click a font, Odoo will usually show you a live preview so you can see how it looks on your page. Take a moment to check that the font is readable and matches the style you want for your site. After setting the heading font, move down to the paragraph or body text section in the same theme panel. Here, you can also change the font to match your branding or improve readability. Again, open the drop-down menu, browse through the available fonts, and select the one you prefer for your paragraphs. Try to choose something that pairs well with your heading font. Once you're happy with both your heading and paragraph fonts, review your page to make sure everything looks consistent. When you're done, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Easy and simple steps to change the font in Odoo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.